Hi, so today we went to Costco and we have some Mountain Dew. Woo! And we are going to pack all these stuff inside our mystery ranch Pintler bag. Let's do it first. I'm going to put the meat. So we have all these two meats over here. And I'm going to put it on the top over here. And let's start with the milk. Pack all these two milk on the side. One here, the other over here. Okay. That's for the two milks. And we're going to put the veggies down here first. Veggies. And we have meat, chicken breast, and then this is lamb. Okay. And we're going to put our potatoes. Okay. Our meat. The mini hummus. Okay. Up here. This one here. This is the chocolate. I don't think I can pack all of them. So I cannot pack all these three because the bag is not big enough. But I think I'm going to put this vegetables out here. Oh, no. Inside over here. Over like this. Okay. That's it for packing inside the Pintler. I'm going to use another bag for all these three stuff. So that's it for packing Black Friday Costco buy. Bye bye.